A Nimitz Class Aircraft Carrier weighs approximately 101,000 tons. That's a battle-ready Nimitz Class Aircraft Carrier. Pyramid Giza weighs 6.5 million tons. If we divide Giza's weight by the Nimitz, we get 65 of these Nimitz Class Aircraft Carriers. The three pyramids on the Giza Plateau weigh approximately 13.5 million tons. That is the equivalent weight of 135 battle-ready Nimitz Class Aircraft Carriers. If they can make you believe that the Egyptians carved the equivalent weight of 135 Nimitz Class Aircraft Carriers out of anywhere with copper hand tools, there is nothing you won't believe. Think about these numbers, guys. Nobody carves the equivalent weight of 135 Nimitz Class Aircraft Carriers out of anywhere. All right, peeps, layers.